What do we got here? Got our new Crimper and Redhorse.
Woody and I are going to do a quick how-to video on how to use the Redhorse portable crimper. You can pause it if you need to read the instructions front and back here, and they also give you a QR code.
Line's link's gonna be, make sure you get fully seated in that one back there. We're gonna run these along the intake and up to here. And my tape is right here. Take some tape and give it a little extra push back, a little slack. You're gonna tape it right in the middle of that fitting, right before where it screws on. And cut right in the middle of your tape. Nice straight cuts.
Really want to use a cutoff wheel or a chop saw for this and get the straightest cut possible.
So now that you got both your fittings on it, uncrimped, ready to go, you go ahead and test fit one more time. Make sure you're not wasting line, time, and fittings. Started it back there first. You can see we're ready to go. So you want to put a mark just above this bend here in the where it's machined down, because you don't want to get on that bend. It won't crimp right. And that'll keep you spaced out. Do one action. Folds it, makes it easier. Boom. Goes in there. Definitely want to be eye level with this thing. Get it in there. Find your line. My line's right there. It's kind of hard to see. Silver Sharpie would be a little bit better. Keeping your jaws lined up. Right about there. And go in just a little bit more. Perfect. Make sure your jaws are lined up. Crimp it. All the way until it stops. You rotate it and crimp again.
Focus on the process, not the praise, not the likes, not the wins, not the race. Don't stress what I can't control. I train my habits, I train my soul. And no shortcuts, no emotional mess. I trust the work, I do my best. The future's built by how I show it. I focus on the process again. Today, when fear talks loud about the end, I bring my focus back to the present. This rep, this breath, this choice right now, that's where power lives, not somehow.